Isn't it insane that we live in a time where we can give a computer some text and then it generates us an image of that exact thing? I know for a fact you've wondered this exact thought. How the does this work? But not to worry, bro. I got your back. I can explain. There's two parts. There's the learning part and then there's the generating part. Let's start with the learning part. So how does the computer learn about what different things are so that it can draw them? Google Images. Everyone knows Google Images. It has God knows how many images, billions, all labeled with a caption. So if I wanted the computer to learn how to draw an image of a cat, for example, we'd find an image labeled as a cat. And now this is going to sound weird, but we're going to add random pixels all around the image so that the image looks like kind of like TV static. We then train the computer to revert each of those random pixels that I added until the image goes back to its original form. Now doing this one time for one picture of a cat ain't gonna do shit, but when you do it for a million of images of cats, then the computer will begin to find patterns and sequences and figure out, okay, this is what I gotta do to make a picture of a cat. So that's the learning part done. The computer now knows about different things and how it can draw them. So what happens in the next step, which is the generating part. So you go in and you type in what you want the AI to make for you. It's going to start with a blank canvas of random pixels, exactly like that TV static that we saw earlier. And now it will look at all the different components in your text and start to revert the pixels as it learned to do so in the learning part so that it can create the image. And boom, I told you I would have your back. Now this is a very oversimplified explanation of what goes on, but that's what this page is all about.